Ebusa for high GC news. Mema Ubibia Akwaba. Ahadi latest hot nkwa era mini bremo. Enuti so nya subscribe to channel idea bomodia say obe subscribe. Gabby had say obe click the subscribe button, you know. Na wabele notification, no. We had sa video for be upload no. When the first person what's ebeka sa video. Afi we are na like video no, give us a thumbs up na afi. Share my or for so that when you be here now and some do na ra ekoso ewo Ghana memoanum afi tentemo imbura ye semwa abeto yepuno so mumayiti sa report ya ababetu mumayiti asemi
yanko peri enforcement
ne ko Ethiopia
Ethiopia won na leti ho ya de no ala ezo ba ko reinforcement akofa beni vo abega ho
Addis Ababa
me hwe saadi we ya moko banyina me ka kire mu wo mo say so mutimi de me to ho 4 p.m. na 5 p.m. mo buhye ni nyina wugro mo pe me say mon sosidi da
umia omo
omo sosidi because look me maka ye buhye ye ni ewu unso awuntimi ni ewu
thank you
se me kokko chini pase na me hye da kuna wan hwe amako naked sa na wuntimi enkume eti you should get it right. Munya no mo pese mo odnanti a eduro do yese oba be pa hope tia asa cha me 14 days obendante obebobo any ade me kan wo ha sei muti abuti die
so mo pese omunya ne nante a
enu an se hope tia pa cho
na omunya ben na wonya ready so bebodi
ni omunya na omo se nkonko bubu mi nwo no a me ye ihu che ni se ara me tuma ni sei
Allah
na je kekrao me say edro bia ni wiase ebe ma nanante edro ebe ma nanante ni say hope say ni enkana ye be ye ono yes sorry fache yen me man no 14 days from that day obetima ko Accra Stadium akwa bobo me say 39% but we no cross 39%
40 no can 40 onya
Ada ye declare President Mahamadu the president elect. Na ye wo outstanding 9 constituencies anema. Wonya 41 point something. 9 no be kan ho mu ye bibia wie no. Na ko 38.3. Na office me bie asori ame nya iska ho. Share me share kom bruta. Eti adene de declare na declare eba. Na waka nsem ni bebrenti I don't need to be repeating. The current state of MPP, dia say party no enya kono egu yi. Look, today something small happened. Na ohwe omu poster any idea. How can oba besi abet ne be ma betra what disrespect me na my dey na me show because I oba. Because Kevin say makwa attack oba. Look, what you also your about one people now we see me disrespect me. I will show you the bigger disrespect. Maybe the law of Moses in Agyapong. When you slap me, I will slap you, and now make sure I say me slap no move your ding. Next time, when you attempt to say be slap me, what come here? Maybe one kasa.
Obeka wa be.
Maybe no. Next time. Next time, one attempt is what Babeka me
yesterday.
Me say I control the space when it comes to the politics. Never MPP ne ade. Omunti me. Eti baby omodu ni de. Me mahu say go anegu. Look, MPP every elections committee. Every election committee.
I were yanko ye check akra in 2016. 169 seats. 2020 137 seats. Now what about 2024 no about benya 8 year. Inti free a year 2016 war bana no more the toto ho no more call 2024 one more 137 2020 137 na ba be do 88 na omunim di enti a free aba for ma ba be say.
Entina me say a declining party. Say one share 2028 one share no man cross of 60 seats in parliament 60 one share among cross
hope say
you can't say I'm say oh you full of bitterness mo man got me the bitterness beka
Cry from more.
Because so a bum.
When you nyam to who and the
Hey, Mugabe, me say baby I made or mo party na question wo. It will take the grace of God.
What your question, baby?
Me say what you share 3 cycles of elections. Mo win be da.
Captain, hope say can't support you.
Captain or no trust me. What trust me?
What people Japade, what your question, baby?
Hey, be so microphobia, microphone, because it's so Ethiopia, then I could find free Benin in there. No more,
Akwafa comfort on me Yankuma de cantonment. Net2 cantonment.
Mugabe, every na me TV so. Anno mo hia.
Bibia.
Omo ye Yankuma de atwemi ababatum na omo aye ne omo beye nyina.
Amfa.
Omo ya na nsuo. Omo ya na nsuo. Omo se akwa we Dabi.
Amfa.
Yanko peri enforcement.
Ne ko Ethiopia.
Omo Ethiopia won na net ho ya de no. Ala ezo ba ko reinforcement akofa beni vo abega ho.
Addis Ababa.
Me hwe saadi we ya moko banyina me ka kire mo. Wo mo se so mo timi de me to ho 4 pm na 5 pm mo buhye ni nyina wugro mo pe. Me say mo nso sidi da
O mia o mo
nso sidi because look me maka ye buhye ye ni awu. Unso a wuntimi ni awu. Se me kokko chini pase na me sheda kuna wan hwe amako naked sa na wuntimi enkume eti you should get it right munu anu mo pese mo odnanti a eduro do ye se wo ba be pa hope ti asa cha me mo 14 days obendante obebobo eni ade me kan wo ha sei muti abuti die
so mo pese omunu anu nanti a
enu anu se hope ti e pa che
na omunu aben na when you ready so be body
ni omunia na omusi enkonko bubu mi nwu hono a me ye ihu iche ni se ara me tuma ni se
Allah
na je kekrao me se edro bia ni wiase ebe mana nante edro ebe mana nante ni se hope say ni enka ye be ye ono yes sorry fache yen me manu 14 days from that day obetima ko Accra Stadium akwa bobo
samo ho
Nyankopon ensa da obi aso Mugabe utie Nyankopon ensa da so Nyankopon ensa da so Nyankopon ensa da obi aso akoma no ene direct how Nyankopon protection be kese amon
o say yomra a year removal of a year chief justice no ma captain embo a year on farming umra sa gumbinum na yenhwe a year global info analysts womo Sovia o maye ene womo fundings o ma ho mo de aba beto abonte no yes is it the captain for me eshemo 52% of Ghanaians say chief justice
me global info analytics for survey me wo me de
okay yankoi
June 28, 2018. For immediate release, President Akufo Addo removes EC chair and head 2 deputies from office. The President of the Republic, Nana Addo Akufo Addo, has on Thursday, 28 June 2018, removed from office the chairperson of the Electoral Commission, Mrs. Charlotte Osei, and her 2 deputies, Mr. Amadou Sule and Miss Georgina Opoku Amankwa, with immediate effect. Paragraph 2. This was after the committee set up by the Chief Justice, Justice Sufaya Akufu. Underline Justice Sufaya Akufu.
Now retired.
Pursuant to Article 1464 of the Constitution, to investigate separate complaints brought against the 3 persons by Ghanaian citizens, recommended their removal from office. The committee recommended their removal. Underline the committee. The committee recommended their removal on the basis of stated misbehavior and incompetence. Misbehavior and incompetence. Underlying misbehavior and incompetence. Pursuant to Article 1461 of the Constitution. The provisions of Article 1469 of the Constitution requires the President of the Republic to act in accordance with the recommendations of the committee. President Akufo Addo has directed the three persons to hand over their respective schedules to the Director for Human Resource and General Services of the Electoral Commission and thank them for their services to the nation. This was June. This was signed by Mustafa Hamid, PhD, Minister for Information and Presidential Spokesperson. Mahama Che Wachese Tokunu Dateho, the Chief Justice.
Was on 1 day.
Wache. She's a fine woman, a mother, an auntie, and whatever. But the reality of the matter is that, number one, you say a misbehavior and incompetence.
The what no?
There be a way the pam Charlotte say misbehavior. Charlotte say Charlotte say and misbehave
towards who?
And Charlotte say you're incompetent. Okay. One. Then Akufo Addo na nkasa ne time. We initiative process and so me you talk on ready.
So we didn't start today.
No. Let them come and deny. Nana do tia bemuno. People petitioned him to investigate the Chief Justice and remove her from office.
Tino kasa Mahamadu no.
John Ache na me ono atada ya na oye metomomtomodo. Hwe Chief Justice Baye no okose a serious constitutional blunder. Many lawyer. But she caused a serious constitutional blunder. And a lawyer phone bia. Woman say mamena cause blunder, but say Oma and she and swa. A bema judiciary anyway go as more no. It seems so mu defend. It's our lawyers and no case no munim there no. No munim said the mamena ye. But now for the image of the judiciary in totality.
We are quiet.
As I say, defend. Na enyonyam kakra na aka no
de see
ne say otchere parliament ensagu na chi na dwen so obebo bag bi no yes speaker no buga
kwa mbeso
na say wa wonim de kokọ Supreme Court so no anatim hwede o ye church atwitwikata. You see, professional misconduct and professional misbehavior dangerous. She thought, sir, the MPP will win. But let me say this today. If the MPP had won, come be within 2 months.
Achieve that.
She's aware. That is why she wrote to the president requesting petitions, because no person who said, they know what it is MPP for be try about him Akufo Addo nyina di no say ye no na Mahamadu Jina so MPP dey na Jina so na say a petitions for. That is why she wrote to the president of her copies.
Wow. Captain Smart.
It's now onim or hint no otitibi dent na eno de na do amane copy.
The first one.
Yes, I didn't see amane copy. Na nya obeyi no. But so ye na kadebesi na say na maame no sebe oniu na dwuma
ananya at the same time obi aka na nanya obi no na no so recommend some judges be say for monko
they be send na dwuma no
Supreme Court
and the constitutional right
so be recommend you
yeah the constitutional right or was that powers no ti yenya mpam no de say ye ti heya won ko breaki So to me from you no monko mo phone so.
This me
Just away we. So osa to me no.
To so watch it, Mahama che.
Oh, watch it. Watch out. You don't watch out. SSA by now easy boss kwada da.
Yeah, reset.
Because watch this. We are Chief Justice, sir. When I will supervise all the judges in this country.
And the courts.
And the courts in this country.
Yeah.
Adia baku ebetimi ama on my way aboto elections. To say the election petition abeto anima. Any kwan say we what to say Ajimai. Wabra won ye adwuma XYZ. Esesa we make sure say judge na or sitting on it no. Say oye de enyem pa be fetch no wa correct. And election who presidential petition yemfa nkwa high court. Yemfa nkwa appeals court. Ye tam straight in Supreme Court. Parliament who asembia no
high court.
You can go high court. And then you sit there. Now why then? What say Parliament a goofy? Really? Wabra Constitution not share the independence of each of the three arms of government.
Tinaka say chechere bag ben segu nechi.
Chechere bag ben segu nechi. Obo bag ben fin. And then the MPs now Parliament. I am reliably informed that at a point one time the then president called her and told her to stay away from the issues.
Okay.
Yes. Stay away from the issues because don't forget say Nanado or a lawyer yamfa bibia ntonchen.
Classmate no ni.
Or a lawyer. Number 2. A lawyer for now do mo call Supreme Court to say lawyer Dennis Num Yoni Kolendi Num Nadam for pa Okujato uncle their friend saying respectable lawyer Sam Okujato. These are lawyers. I mean lawyers. You think Nanado will not take advice from them?
Yeah, of course.
He did. And they told Nanado in plain language that Chief Obano waiting. Enuntino ena abrante no petition the first petition I am for you Akufo Addo time no yet no Jubilee House. Hey. Chief. Asama na yake kan krum hasan.
Your petition first one.
First one no yet no Jubilee House. And then you need the man transfer so. Obi a see you need the election ya letter no yes ya transfer no.
Abrante no.
Oh, okay. And then the question to that president did the nice see from Nanado did the nice see from. No catch say baby a who pia or mine kono. Mame, what do you mine ko share aminem and your yune ebeba. Mami enti body language you want obia betimi atena program bi asena body language ni ade.
Ya no mama videos ni bi.
But shede na Mahamadu Gina ho kan State of the Nations address. Look at how she behaved. Asante Bediatuo, the president of the land. Really? Even J. Akufo behaved. Even J. Akufo, he had a diplomatic body posture. Right? Nana Kuredu Wajiban Rollins, evergreen.
The body language, Akasa.
Body language is dangerous than anything in this world. What will say?
Action speaks
louder than words.
But now you more defend it. Afenyo Markin.
Oh, please. What's happening now? Okay.
We didn't hear kakra.
Yeah. Na yeah. Pese.
Mama me video no kakra.
Yeah, told you I say China near rap.
Afenyo video na ready. I'm fan too.
Yeah, can you say China near rap? That's what I can. Me to aso.
Me try video.
Okay.
Call it for Afenyo video. Production team ada.
E be den Afenyo en defend. Because on the Pia seven koye. But me
video na ready in
for you.
Certain individuals in government to push for the removal of the Chief Justice. The judiciary should not be seen as part of the partisan political system in our country. All we need is to have an impartial judiciary to dispense justice. What is happening is unacceptable, and it's clear that the NDC government wants to infiltrate the judiciary and make it partisan. But my advice to all judges in the country: stand together. Let not somebody create an impression of one of you and think that by dislodging one of you, you will be the next. The next day, you would also be the next. So judges in the country must stand together. The judiciary must stand as one body and make a full statement to condemn this act.
Captain.
Sure.
Very dangerous.
Oye no. Yetete ho saa wo krum ha saa. And the bag been di nyansa e bo Ghana ho ban. Look, let me tell you, as there a course with Supreme Court no, it was a very fertile ground for a chaotic whatever to have happened in this country. Saturday course with Supreme Court no, chichire Parliament in Sagu nachi. Or yet the open one, it was a fertile ground for a military takeover.
Wow.
I'm telling you, because by that time, the Chief Justice threw away our constitution and made rubbish out of it, thinking that Nana Nebuchadnezzar and I appointed. No,
is it not too harsh?
No, she rubbished our constitution, okay, right. Not her. Hey, or your boy can't go to that level. Fantastic, with a woman.
Fantastic.
She rubbished our constitution, and whatever thereof are now womb. Talking about the independence of the three arms of government. And I said, say, into the man anado. Ubi petition is a pamamino. Because lawyer from penny for one memo had two nanado for say, we dear a blunder.
At that time.
Yes. And what happened? The Koba yin and say, ye Cecilia. And then also politics, sometimes timing is also key.
Yeah. The timing was not good.
MPP penny for
that time.
And one more train so any idea.
Not now.
And not now be seen there. Me, I will never be surprised that the MPP lawyers they are happy said John Mahama be Chief Justice.
Very well.
And 62%. 52%. See you know. It's
52% in Israel.
It's 52% na info analytics for say yemfanyi tokununu. It's o pass see yentinsi Ashanti region and cry any voter obi beka so NDC stronghold yentinsi Ashanti region. Na wo dey bisa Chief Justice onkwa na manenko ne wo kasa onkwa na wateke manenko no we so ateke na hwe nipa dodo obenya wo bisa nipa 10 bia obenya 9
to onkwa na want
why oh me catch you say wache okọ oh say yeah okọ no owie we ya onyi jemensa
boss man so
oh say the two ko ye no e ka Charlotte ho no two enkohwe menu kafra ya ma opposition wo mem ha wo ho amema odin bi na hwe wo mo ho due to me. First one ayo penin Kojo Afarijan,
man of integrity.
Oya bunu ni internadwene no ebunu wo mu emu do.
Why so pompe plan?
Say wo hwe Kojo Afarijan patcho one appointing no easy boss. Anya Rollins.
Yeah.
Very good. Kufaba no ya Afarijan edi. Dentra. Fantastic. Kojo Afarijan ede ono say oye Ghana ni no na me wo tumi sam ye easy boss akaka bensam na denden no eto nchen onya ne bi ye bottle back no obogu so na nyame ye na adom na se nsa ka ne matches na onya ne siga ne to so a Ghana nkwana ordering ono obi adi asem enti we NDC ni a or say do not come to my house. I don't want anybody to come to my house. If I have not invited you to my office and you are a politician, do not come to my office. When I need you as a politician, we will call a general meeting, we will all meet. Kojo Afarijan, EC boss Rollins time. Or ye EC boss Kufo time. Or ye EC boss Professor Mills time. Or ye EC boss at the Mahama time.
Until retire. Until
Oko retirement. Enti presidenta yenya womo ewo Ghana ha ewo Fourth Republic no mu emu nan sanye se na Oko retirement a megidi yesanka Kojo Afarijan that ho. And Ghana ni bi enya Afarijan ho asem ankada. Ono ni nipo ma yeti ase say elections are won at the polling station. Not EC head office.
Or Tesano place.
Or Tesano police training college. Elections are won at the polling center. Number 2, Mami Georgina Theodora Wood, Chief Justice, who appointed
President Kufo.
President Kufo appointed Georgina Wood.
President Mills
Mills no. I didn't Mills you know.
How much when you know?
I didn't Mills when you Georgina Wood. Because a Juma na Georgina Wood here, maybe mama, o kotono ofia no be catch us obi nsidi kunu dross, obi nsidi ni kunu singlet, obi we kono no a odu fia no yi ntare no go as Chief Justice a. Obo ne bra wo fie te se maame a oye na. Odi ni wunia from Kufo time abedu Professor Mills. Mills ba no maame ni di ni wuni sa besi John Mahama time.
Obi ante ne ho asem
ko sisi ankrofo bi di asem be hye no konse yese wakota asase wo isle go mi hwa na enyo no anti George na Wood bi ayo no mi hwa na enyo no adentina Mahama ampam no
kwasina na djuma so ni
adentina Mills ampam no
na djuma so ni
adentina Kufo ampam no
na djuma so ni
nti dentina ye pa maame we
na djuma so ni
bam
Hopeson
Wonim
tisemai
ECD or the Fahu, Mammy Fanfa, Namintensive media. So, look, this is the time. Ya tuaba. Na ya declare Emma. Na asat now. Parliament. Aya Juma a 4th month. Na a constituency. Yentimi and declare. And I say Antuaba no. Ya tuaba no. So yentimi declare eti ni MP ewo parliament a wo represent wo mu. Is it not incompetence? Is it not? Chese enonko backgrounds for the remover.
Na wo president officer eso bi sempija e declare the winner. Now we go to office. Now we say masa overturn the decision no.
Emra no so ntisa.
See 127.
Emra ni say so declare we are ye better na and e just court. Adentina mo koye musa kokoye recollection ayeyi. Look. Oh yeah, MPP for so mukita scan copy. Enye original ne de scan no. E de original no yin. Ubi so mo so a o mo se a ye hu. I mean, chese odwene ho a o ye dan ate ase. Eti
dollar ma 7 countries 7 why 6 studio ha. Wow, ni pa. Alaji kana tanko
Alaji ye jiao. Ejanto ha. No we bia na
oboske tu obodo tu.
Why we are now we say agree better about that. Enye ti se PZ.
Dollar ma.
So on yetero. Eti microphone there. Look. Hwe MPP ama say no you are politicizing all our institutions. Who said Drew baby? Yes. Papa, look, Charlotte Windsor. Charlotte was say. Ne petition no. Munya bi kengan.
Oh. Obi wa ha.
Nipa na oye yi no. Mote ne nka kokosi say ye ni free ho. Debi.
Na oni nipa kono.
Jubilee House organized that petition because it was an agenda say, look, Charlotte was say must go. It was an agenda.
Captain Nipan.
Oh, Sammy name.
Me say
Jubilee House one of
they wrote the petition.
Why no more petition?
One quiet the 10 weekend hotel be.
They wrote the petition there
because they knew what they were going to do in 2020. And they were afraid that if Jane, Charlotte Lekoso, I'm trying to fair. Into you know, because the first win, Madam say the chairperson of the Electoral Commission on 30th June 2015 assumed office as article blah 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 of the Ghana Re Insurance, a public company, contrary to Article 444 of the 1992 Constitution. When the issue was raised, the PRO of the Ghana Re confirmed that she only signed on December 5th, 2015. Shadeni you what say Kwaku Addo no ewo 2015 nanka so no ba ye June na mu no American no science. This means that whilst holding office as the chair of the commission, she was still a board member of the Ghana Reinsurance. Oh, come on. The main way you know say your board din so on be EC chairperson no. Na Charlotte say or your board member. Or your board member. The response of the man Charlotte say no Troy or say Ghana Reinsurance is a limited liability company with shares held by the government of Ghana. It's not a Ghana buying Ejuma.
Wow.
A non-executive director position is not a public office.
What's the tea?
The woman is a lawyer. This is what Charlotte wrote. Me will copy and make kind. In the context of Article 444, which my esteemed counsel should well know. Why? Why do you do this?
Obviously, if I'm a coin.
Auntie, you can say, you can say, Jamesa, Nenshisha, any other. Yes, yes. Nenshisha, ya, just say, what the Abamunino, a yadia, bedia, the word incorporate is a show. Say, Yatua Baby. Na asatena yentiminya wasan abubu emraso no I don't know say be under misbehavior say then I don't know Jamesa say ya declare will be
incompetent
ya declare di pa na wie hwe do bi ko beja say NDC for that more money anya den nko mo jefrinis anisam so won yete no ya ka de say mia menua madamfo a me penasempa Okankwe Central aha who said there's a cocoye no, and this is so a cocodane. Atta praises, I just say, Wamudan, Anno Dompreh, Economo, share a quetia, and in the Kaikahu, Nijina, Yachamu, and yet just like that. Sir, what politicizes the institutions are? Do you think, sir, Nippon over Banning or no Metrans in financial reform? Opetuaso, Yanana, Opetuaso, so it is an unwalkano. What do Aquacofa a Fidia Buffy?
Once na buy house.
And you once never go as I did once never go as a babysa. What now, dear Hidia Naba? So on yet, look,
so the other already by one of them once.
One didn't once another. Akufo Addo Parky Court. Nasi, you see also or more Ghana say no, or more hypocrite. See also.
Before.
What would you hypocrite?
Some of them.
Some before.
Why not? What you imagine? Bra, crepa.
30 seconds. Bra ye bring in an one. A year Christian Council.
Number 1.
Any CSUs no. And ama ye bre. Nanka Charlotte say.
Yen defending no.
She. Mamin can de we na to so she. Claim 3. The NTS di Charlotte say di number 3 ni tiu. Ti brofo na won tro no. Ade we na tro Jubilee House no. Office na proposal akotena mu no e hwa na omtro letter no e hwa na omtro petition we sa ba bia proposal akotena ye no sa dan na mu na omtro petition we
mami he
or say following her appointment as EC chair, Mrs. Charlotte compromised the independence and the neutrality of the commission by arranging by arranging for a 2015 V8 Land Cruiser with registration number WR2291-15 from the Office of the President for use as official vehicle without going through the procurement process. Adiano Ofafi Office of the President. Instead, also go through procurement. Almost a Charlotte say, Yaboni Dino, Naka ni ho amami no yusu. Jomama nominati Charlotte say no. Okachen se sika ni ho ye de toka mono ma ma otenam. Etima me ka ni ho. Sabi
free the pool mu dia ma.
Eti Charlotte say no de ono ane ka na ekwa adwuma. Until said Chief of Staff Honorable Julius Debra Wobo Nipedin June 2015. When time Oma Charlotte say official vehicle. Do you know when she was given official vehicle? Yeah, Bonidin 15th June 2015. July Charlotte Nyaka. August Charlotte Nyaga. September Charlotte Ny official car. October Charlotte Ny official car. November 12th. After 5 months. And Mama Charlotte say an official car. Say onjim fanya adwuma.
And they say and go through procurement.
Dabi we entro. Enta me ka tro se be office na proposal atino.
Ho no mo tran se twa.
So dan ni mu no mo tro be nka se proposal na tro.
Ba ho sa dan no.
Sa dan ni mu sa office ni mu no mo draft a letter we. And mo quote car number. Sa car we 2015 car we. And then who ba asema time and 2016 MPP win election 2017 no. Soldier for no kwache car we. Enti car na ye de to Charlotte say so say. Wa kofa car free presidency. Atnemu no. Sa car na nye Charlotte say na tim. Wow. Enti we almost say WR2291-15. And Charlotte say ekofa ama ye de man no office of the president. The president ma obi ade say jika na fa koye adwuma. Wo say onko fa procurement team. Tie. And Charlotte say ka kire na na do say hey guy. Kana ye de ma me no. The number nye WR2291-15. And when the man Charlotte remover no e cheye no. Because they realized that they try wrong meat. Ma me say kana otimuno the number enyesa. So they sent some national security operatives to Tete Charlotte say and take pictures and videos of the cars. Sister Charlotte say bekaya 2018 February. They called her and said they had wanted to change for security reasons. They had wanted to change her car numbers.
The number we are.
They had wanted to change her car numbers.
That happened.
Happened because she thought that she told the president. Said the lawyer response. Say Mrs. said does not use a vehicle with the said registration number WR2291-15. Following her appointment as chairperson, the office of the chief of staff allocated Mrs. Charlotte Osei a vehicle. This is certainly not a new practice in Ghana's public service. Indeed, the office of the chief of staff provided and continues to provide vehicles for many government institutions and appointees. Patro Jemensa cannot even one man. So can we say that Nanado imagine Mensa car? Any deputies in the castle won't use unti. Yebejina Sunedi di ana.
Abide the ball teaching.
The political posture of the chairperson. Tell brofwe we need a way to come on the Charlotte Eddie.
Posture.
And
I say Jemensa they watch.
The political posture
you know, yes, you don't
of the chairperson prior to the conduct of the 2016 general elections nearly pushed Ghana to the precipice. But for the action of technical and competent staff of the commission, how? How? She could have plunged the country into a civil war. Really?
Compared to James Adie.
Really?
Charlotte will say.
And indeed, we lived in this country in the Bronga-Hafu region. 8 innocent Ghanaians were shot and killed. It was just one constituency. Nobody saw, say, and no, it was plunging this country into precipice.
Very wicked people.
Post Abeya. What if the entire trust claim for no? What if be a claim for no fee? Once I shall say SSN EC logo no, because that time no na encrophobia acquire them electoral commission logo na awo no. Baby, I know more print to letterhead no. I don't know. Can I say that? Let me say it. No, back print be with all the security features.
Wow.
That time they were in opposition. And they were using the letterheads, writing letters on behalf of the Electoral Commission.
Wow.
Charlotte Osei got wind of it and said that no way, we got to change the letterhead.
That's right.
That is the reason why Charlotte Osei changed the letterhead of the Electoral Commission.
To Yemre Muno. Obetima Sako Hobi.
Or to me, Obetima Sako, but I'm not sure Sama Amenebeko.
Oh.
She's so a fine, refined lady. When I met her at Cape Coast, Michelle and him didn't say, Captain, I know you defended me, but the powers that be did not listen. Hey, Anna Obeka say we or you subrofobi or say we did it, I like it, and we love it. I think she said something like that.
Yeah.
It's letters and then for person one day easy logo dadano no and
I say we saw it, we liked
it, and we love it. Something like that. Eti Emma and Crawford plan Ekadem. Do you know that if indeed Charlotte say na on pese MPP Baba power 2016 time na elections the started said figures nobody na no kokacho say one more system no Crawford hack.
Nti an koto no foforo.
Dabi we yan to no foforo. Say ya hack. Ya hack system. Enti no osre say both parties ni nyina no womomra na yempe IT specialist no muntimi mehwe system ne mai. Charlotte say could have done that. So by the time now wadrin by yourself figures neighbor no, if indeed she had wanted the NDC to maintain power, go bet me ayesa. But what did she do? On one at na county ye, e be declare another winner.
Yeah.
Why do you lie? Such a lie.
Can't say more funny pa.
No one can say reasons we.
We Nigeria that's it too. Until I was watching.
Charlotte say, without recourse to the commission, engage the services of lawyers. Sorry at law. So lawyer, sorry. Teddy, sorry, assembly Ekano. Without going through the procurement process. This service engagement goes contrary to Public Procurement Act. As at now, there's no formal contractual agreement between the commission and the solicitors. You think lawyer, sorry, Sebi, excuse my French, is so dumb and inept to the level, say, sorry, easy, a contractor now, there will not be any contractual agreement. You think lawyer Teddy Sorry will sit down and then a lawyer of his caliber, and see that. In any case, Jayku for time I win power 2001. What did he say? Or repeat Buzia statement you can say the constitution is not a fetish. Why? Because any pay ye here ka sama post for I was say ankofa parliament in ma pick na Pedro.
Yeah.
Ma Pedro no ma 504. E ma ne mana.
The ma judges ne.
Say sorry. Why ye adwuma ama easier. Adwuma na oye no na ye ne kwan so na say na adwuma na nye ne kwan so. Why then do you based on this? Say wo pam sorry. Beside lawyer Teddy Sorry. After say MPP winning elections from 2017, Papa ni nya hoto abezi ne. At a point, no, let me say it.
The number that.
Okay. Oko voter region kodi case binke ye kunu kwam.
What?
Obi onim Teddy Sorry number bi an friend say me na make asem we wo TV so sesi a. Okodi asem oko voter region or bank line ke ye kunu kwam. There were several attempts on his life, but he remained steadfast. Listen, we are building a country, we are not building a political party. And if we're doing the wrong thing, get away. But Charlotte say, missing the reasons now, one casa brofono muchoye, ewo dina, office na ai proposal akwatena mu no ehɔ na wɔn draft ye
room 21
ehɔ na draft is all that way. Claim 6. The commission signed a contract with Supertech Limited (STL) on the premise that the voters registration exercise was going to be electoral area based. Now, voters registration exercise and the electoral area based near the year. Can Afenyo Markins move away from Winneba? No, I can't say. Makwacho me di voter regi. There's a one transfer of voter. Obeto akwacho aba no Winneba.
Very well. Well,
when you me pese captain kasa. Ma ba no ayi se won kasa yi pa. So
yeah, ma min kan we.
Odo as a host no. Aya onya kwan kasa.
Upon assumption of office as the chairperson of the commission, Mrs. Charlotte say unilaterally abrogated the said contract. Or said the commission signed a contract. The commission signed a contract with STL. After Mrs. Charlotte say unilaterally abrogated the said contract without recourse to the same commission that approved the earlier commission. If indeed you sacked her and her 2 deputies, why not no more fighting?
Same people.
Ain't the same people?
Yeah.
So how did she unilaterally abrogated that contract? Listen to the rubbish they wrote under. Listen to the rubbish. She single-handedly renegotiated the contract. She single-handedly. Oh, that's what I mean. She single-handedly renegotiated the contract with the vendor without involvement of the members of the commission. Not even the deputies. How? Meanwhile, when the deputies were contacted, Mami Amankwa, she said that she was the one who ushered those people back into the room. When Madia Charlotte say, yeah. Now, Mami Kennedy, she then awarded the contract to the tune of $21,999,525 without going through the tender, contrary to the Public Procurement Act. Watch this. Contract na Charlotte was $49 million.
Wow.
Charlotte was a contract no beton it was $49 million. As a bow in Ghana hono. By that time no na me MPP adwuma. But enun kwa de me can be my Charlotte because I had documents from Adewe Carter we answer the come Akufo Addo. I saw it.
No, is there from a reliable source.
$49 million no say no. Adwuma na mo be ye no.
You sir.
Then I mo charge $49 million then there be entino Mama yente so na Ghana nyamfa so kakra. She renegotiated from $49 million to $21 million. And then you sack her because we're reducing costs. Hey.
Was save $28 million.
O save Ghana, Charlotte, save Ghana $28 million. What's my pamano as a result say, wa more mining yiska. O mining nyamfa so $28 million. Nanka SSN come $49 million in now. Nanka Ghana for the yen piasa akano. Wa bra Charlotte say realize that no, ye piasa sikana enye ye and no reduce your renegotiate ye the bar 2020. Ukwa say o moment anka he. The chairperson awarded this contract without seeking approval from the commission.
I don't know.
I don't know man can say contract no sign ye no. Now we any board in chair for no. Dada no. Moment me anka because they knew said Dada no was 49, not about 21. You sacked her
based on this.
Yo, if for winning and somewhere about better, you so because so we can subscribe to channel idea, but more than say over subscribe. Now, what like video, give us a thumbs up, now fee share my waffle frost. So now when you be here now and somewhere also, Ghana memoir. Also, bit me otchere wondering a fire and somewhere in our comment box. Mobati minkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.